Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active SBI account, the Yono app installed, and your mobile number linked for OTP. Once logged in, make sure you have enough balance or net banking enabled because transactions may debit immediately. Then authenticate with MPIN or customer ID and OTP. This secures the session. You do this now to avoid mid-process failures. So update the app if prompted and proceed straight into the payments or offers section for the next steps. Once done with login, go to Yono Rewards or Offers page and open the gift cards or vouchers section. You want the Google Play option. Select the desired denomination because Google Play codes are fixed amounts. Then check the final payable amount, taxes, or fees. Make the payment immediately. Choose Instant Debit, Net Banking, or UPI and approve using OTP or 2FA. You confirm the purchase and wait for the transaction success screen. This is where the code is generated. You will receive the Google Play redeem code on the transaction success page. Copy it now, and also check Yono notifications, messages, or saved vouchers if you miss it. Then open Google Play, go to Redeem, paste the alphanumeric code, and confirm to add credit. If the code doesn't appear or fails, make sure the transaction shows success in Yono, wait 5 to 10 minutes for processing, and then contact SBI support with transaction ID if it still fails. Keep screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.